So every version of Samsung main flagships have two different processors, and which one you will get depends on where you live, and it isn't something they have been doing recently. So apart from that, Samsung has been dual sourcing chipset going as far back as the Galaxy Note 3, which debuted back in 2013. The upcoming Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will also have two different processors. The US, China, and Canada will get the newly announced Snapdragon X65 Plus processor, which by the way is the first mobile chipset to surpass the 3 GHz CPU clock speed ceiling. Not only, but it also offers a 10% increase in both CPU and GPU speed compared to the Snapdragon X65 released earlier this year with the Galaxy S20 family. So folks over at the US will get a faster and improved Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. Yes, but the rest of the world will have to deal with an inferior product yet again. Earlier there were rumors that Samsung will equip a new 6nm Exynos 992 processor on the Galaxy Note 20. So apart from that, to compensate for the performance disparity we had with the Galaxy S20 variant, where the difference between the Exynos and the Snapdragon variant of the S20 was almost 20%, but it looks like that is not happening. Apart from that, we have seen that Ice Universe tweeted that Samsung will continue with the Exynos 990 processor in the Galaxy Note 20. Yes, so Max Wimberg also confirmed that there are no references on any new chipset in the firmware except the Snapdragon X65 Plus, and hence the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will use Exynos 990. This is bad, really bad, because the performance disparity on the Note 20 variant and between Exynos and Snapdragon will further increase compared to the S20 where it was 20%. Now the Note 20 may even go up to 30%, that is huge. That is the type of difference you will expect from a mid-ranger and a high-end flagship. I really don't understand what is going on in Samsung's mind. How do they even think that selling the same handset for the same price but one with an inferior performance is even fair for their customers? People were already mad about the disparity on the S20, but now this is taking it to another level. This is only acceptable if they sell the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra at cheaper prices to the Exynos regions compared to the US. But I'm pretty sure that is not going to happen either. Now if you are still not furious with the news, I have another one that will surely make you lose your nerves. Apparently, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that Jimmy has doesn't support 120Hz at QHD Plus resolution. You can only use it at FHD Plus, and if you want QHD Plus, you need to turn down the refresh rate to 60Hz, just like the Galaxy S20. Jimmy says the Note 20 Ultra that he has is on a pre-release software, so there is a possibility that Samsung may add the support for QHD Plus at 120 in the final retail version. Anyway, we have live pictures of the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus thanks to the Certification Authority Safety Korea's website. It looks exactly like the renders we saw a few weeks ago. Not only that, but we also have the official press renders of the Galaxy Buds Beans, which is one of the widest wearables I have ever seen ever. Samsung will offer it in a 3-color variant, including the metallic bronze. This will have active noise cancellation, something we don't have on the Buds Plus. The remote price is $150. I will see you guys on the next one. I will see you tomorrow. Click on the subscribe. Peace out.